You're probably treating your dark spots the wrong way, and most people don't even realize it. They see a mark, panic, and reach for the strongest active they can find. Stronger acids, higher percentage, faster results, but pigmentation doesn't respond to force. It responds to consistency, and that one misunderstanding is why so many people give up on brightening serums right before it starts working. Today, we're breaking down XSY Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum, not with hype, but with what real consistent use actually looks like week by week. Why dark spots are difficult? Here's something most skincare content skips. Not all dark spots are the same, and that's exactly why it is so hard to treat. What most people call a dark spot after a breakout is actually post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, PIH. It's not a scar, it's your skin's pigment-producing cells overreacting to inflammation, leaving behind a flat mark that sits in the upper layer of skin. This matters because PIH responds well to consistent and gentle brightening care. The mistake most people make is treating it like it's permanent or treating it like it needs something aggressive to disappear. Neither is true. Here's where most people go wrong, and it's not about the product they choose. They use a brightening serum for a week, see no change, and switch to something stronger. Then they repeat that cycle every 2 weeks, never staying with one formula long enough to know if it was actually working. Pigment cycling at the surface of the skin roughly takes 28 days minimum, often longer. So if you're not giving a serum at least 4 to 6 weeks, you're not testing the product. You're testing your patience, and the product loses by default. This is where the XSY Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum fits in. Not as a miracle, but as a formula built around that reality. It's centered on 5% niacinamide, and niacinamide is not popular because it's trendy. It's one of the most researched ingredients in skincare for a reason. It helps even out skin tone over time, supports a stronger skin barrier, and gradually reduces the visible appearance of post-acne marks. Squalane is the second half of the story. It's what keeps this from feeling like a typical brightening serum that makes your skin tight or dry. Squalane mimics your skin's own natural oil, so the formula stays hydrating instead of stripping, which means you are far less likely to quit using it out of discomfort. Why this combination matters? Here's what most reviews never explain. Brightening and hydrations are not separate goals, they're connected. Dehydrated skin heals slower and looks duller, which makes existing pigmentation looks more obvious by contrast. A serum that brightens but dries you out is working against itself. That's the actual reason this formula pairs niacinamide with squalane instead of just mixing out on actives. It's treating the mark and the surrounding skin at the same time. Texture-wise, it's a lightweight gel serum, not watery, not thick. It sinks in without peeling, which matters if you're layering it under moisturizer and sunscreen every morning. Application is simple. After cleansing and toning, 1 to 2 pumps, pat it in either across the full face or focused on areas with visible marks. Follow with moisturizer, and in the morning, always finish it up with a sunscreen. This isn't optional. Brightening actives without sun protection can actually make existing pigmentation more visible because UV exposures is what triggers and deepens it in the first place. Serum corrects, sunscreen protects, skipped one and the other works against you. So what does consistent use actually look like? In the first 1 to 2 weeks, most people notice hydration and a subtle glow before any brightening. That's the squalane doing its job early. In around 3 to 4 weeks, newer post-acne marks typically starts looking softer and overall tone starts to even out. By week 6 to 8, with consistent use and daily sunscreen, fresher pigmentations tend to look noticeably less visible. But here's the honest part. Deeper, older marks, sunspots or melasma move on a much slower timeline, sometimes requiring a full routine and a professional guidance, not just a one serum. If that's your main concern, this product is a supporting step, not a standalone fix. Who should use it? This serum makes the most sense if you're dealing with fresher post-acne marks, uneven skin tone or dullness, and you want a gentle entry point into brightening care, something that won't fight your skin barrier while it works. It's beginner-friendly enough to fit oily combination, normal or dry skin without needing a complicated routine around it. So does it actually work? For fresher marks, uneven skin tone or dullness? Yes, for most people with consistent use. It's not a fast fix, and it was never built to be one. What it does well is support your skin's natural process without working against your barrier, which is honestly the harder thing to get right in a brightening serum. If you've been chasing dark spots results from a different serum every few weeks, the answer usually isn't a stronger product, it's sticking with the right one long enough to see it work. You can shop XSY Dark Spots Correcting Glow Serum at Beauty Pound India. Links and full dark spot routine bundles are in the description. Comment dark spots below and we'll help you build regular routine around your specific skin. And if this helped you understand pigmentation a little better, subscribe. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye, Skin Bees.